Jeff Frozen Homestead. Today we're going to take a look at what the heck this thing is. Thanks for tuning in, Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. Let's take a look at what's inside this box. It's a pretty cool looking box. Let's take a look. Check this out. My bags are packed. I'm out of here. No, I tease. Isn't this a nice little suitcase thing? This thing's beautiful. It is a household tool kit. Where are you guys at? Right there. Household tool kit. Let me tell you, this thing has a little bit of everything in it. And this is a sleek look. This is a sleek look. You can put this basically anywhere. Put it in the kitchen, the family room, the bedroom, a workshop, hobby shop, whatever. And it looks so good that if it's sitting on a bookcase like that, a bookshelf like this, you wouldn't even know it's a toolbox. Unless you leave that on it and let that face the person. But outside of that, this thing is slick. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. It is kind of heavy, but it's because it's loaded with stuff. A couple of decent latches. Ready, set. Dun 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 dun. Look at all of that stuff. So let's get a closer look at this. Look at all the stuff down here. You got stuff there. You got stuff back behind here. A little cubby hole. Alright, so let's just start from one end and go through the other. Look at all these bits. They're the short bits. You know, they're not like an inch long. They're your regular short ones. They'll go in this guy here. Now, this is not plastic. This is a hard foam. And what I do like about it is these items fit in there kind of nicely, but they kind of seem like maybe it will wear a little bit, so it'll be easier. But you got a little ratchet right there. Now, check this thing out. See, this is kind of difficult to get out, but that's a good thing. This is an ergonomic wrench. Look at that. Now, the quality of this, some of you are going to want to know, oh, is it like a Craftsman or whatever? You know what? Out of all the years I've used tools, I have never once broken one of these, broken one of those, broken one of those, broken one of those. So, you know what? For a standard household stuff, this is awesome quality. It's metric. So if you want a standard, I'll put notes below about that one. But yeah, this is metric. You know, a little wrench there. Now check this out. It's got a couple little hex head deals there, and then it's got one of those guys there. Isn't that awesome? Look at this. It even comes with a little container for your screws and some nails. So you can put it in your drywall to hang your picture of your dog. Some extenders and a deep socket. Some Allen wrenches. I'm assuming they're metric too. Yep, they're metric too. Some of your most popular wrench sizes right there. It looks like it's the same on both ends. So the box and the open. You got blades right there for this knife. Check this knife out. Now, some of this I'm noticing is a little difficult to get out of the container, but that's a good thing. Look at this. This is a good quality knife. Some small blades, but good quality knife. And what's cool is it gives you so you know where to put it. A little tape measure, a little 10-foot tape measure. Now check this out. Has a little button down there on the bottom that you can hold it. See? So, this is 14.5 by 11 by, looks like 3. then right there you can lock it. So I like that mechanism where just for a short period of time you can hold it in place like that. I like that. Or you can lock it in place. You got a level, little 6, 8-inch, 9-inch level. So it's your standard deals. There is a magnet on this side here. That's pretty cool. What's behind this? What's behind the door? This is a pretty cool toolbox. Boom, more stuff. Look at this. You got a needle nose. You got regular, I don't know what you call them, a wider nose pliers. You got a crescent wrench up there. Look at it, even scissors. And then if you got wire strippers. Where are the wire strippers? Right here's the wire strippers. And then you even got the mini screwdrivers. And you got regular screwdrivers. Now what's nice is they're pretty basic. You know, you got your, you know, just a short one and a long one. But they got the, is this a magnetic tips? Those are magnetic tips. That's kind of nice. That's really nice actually for household stuff. Scissors, look at that. Even a little hammer, knocking your nails. Oh, and check out this. What's a toolbox without electrical tape? Isn't that beautiful? And then you even got a saw. You know, just a little hacksaw. Oh, they got the blade. You'll have to switch this blade around. They got the blade. Sorry about the glare here. So they got this blade on the opposite side, so it's not down here cutting. So you have to swap this blade out. Turn it over. But outside that, that's perfect. That's a nice little hacksaw. This is a beautiful little kit. And I love the way it looks overall, especially on the outside. It doesn't even look like a toolbox. And I'm not going to try it one-handed. But look at this. Pretty nifty, huh? Pretty nifty. Goes all the way up to 19. In fact, it doesn't even miss a beat. You go 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up to 19. Some socket kits will skip a digit. Will skip a size. This one doesn't even skip a size. Now it skips a size there. It looks like 9 is missing. And 11 is missing. But that's why you have that, right? This is pretty nice. What size is this? Oh, this is your spark plug deal, isn't it? 5/8, 16 mil. Spark plug. Even a spark plug deal. For a household, I don't know why you would need that, but it's nice to have. And little extenders right there. So you've got this adapter here to get it out of the container. You got this adapter so you can go to your bigger one to your smaller ones. I like that. Dude, this is a beautiful kit. And I'll put a link down below for this kit so you can go and get it. But yeah, a lot of toolboxes, a lot of kits like this, they don't have what you need. Oh, I missed this. Check this out. God, there's stuff everywhere. Even little clamps. Dang, is there more stuff somewhere? Oh, you know what? I think there is. Check this out. Dude, there's so many stuff to this. So, where the hammer is, check this out. Take the hammer out. And look what's right here. Oh, it's even got its own deal, too. So I had to start it with two hands. There's a couple of elastic deals that's holding it in place, but because it's a metal, I'm able just to pull it out this way. And look at this, it's a 30 millimeter and then 12 inches on the other side. It's a little ruler, dude. It's a 30-inch ruler. It's a 12-inch ruler. That is slick. Yeah, I can't do it one-handed, but wow, even it's got a tape measure, 12-inch ruler. This thing is just beautiful. Oh, that guy can be tightened a little bit to hold him up better. Prostormer, which seems like pretty good quality. Yeah, I like it, guys. I really do. I really do like it. I really do like it. Get you one. Alright, that's enough. Jeff, Arizona Homestead. See you. Bye. Have fun.